The modest exterior of 714 South Main Street in Haverhill belies what's inside. Sunlight pours into a skylit foyer with a stone floor, and that leads to an open-concept kitchen and dining room with 16-foot ceilings, skylights, a center island, and an impressive 160-bottle wine cooler. The living room is anchored by a wood-burning fireplace and a triple window, and it's accented with dental crown moldings and a chair rail with shadow box detail. French doors off the living room lead to a balcony perfect for enjoying morning coffee under the shade of a maple tree with brilliant foliage in the fall. 2 bedrooms and a full bathroom with laundry complete the main level. The second level offers 3 more bedrooms, as well as a large cedar closet. All of the cookie-cutter generic spaces that you've seen so far will fade from your memory once you enter the tower. Accessed from the dining room, this 4-story space has a copper roof. The main living level of the tower offers a game room with a full bathroom, and this leads to a home office with a balcony on the second level. Which then leads to the observatory at the top. Entertain in style with wraparound windows, a 360-degree wet bar, built-in Gen Air grill, and a large private deck with custom wrought iron railings to enjoy stunning sunsets and views of the Merrimack Valley. The lower level of the tower, which features a separate entrance at ground level, features a sauna, a shower, and a home gym.